Alright guys, powered by lithium. What's going on, fishing fam? Hey, it's been a minute since we've been out here on the kayak. Got the good old OldTown Autopilot 120, and we're throwing some artificial. We're throwing some different things today. For example, that right there, got that DOA top water. Got some more DOA. And of course, we got an array of different size rods and reels, but the SRT inshore is the go-to, of course. And check this out, guys. This is that new Okuma ITX CB 4000. Nice light setup. If you're into throwing artificial, that might be the way to go. I know a lot of you guys have been talking about you want to see kayak fishing videos and things like that. Well, that's what we're doing. It's a gorgeous day on Tampa Bay. And we're looking forward to catching some fish today. Got a nice high tide about noonish, so stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we get on them. What we're doing right now is going out here. I'm going to try to get towards the deeper water, and right over this bar, try to find and locate some ladyfish for cut bait in case the artificial doesn't work out. But always good to have a contingency plan or backup plan, and ladyfish is a great one. So just so y'all know, you've seen me use ladyfish a lot in my videos. Hey, if you're looking to book a charter, guys, right now the fishing's phenomenal, especially near shore has been a really good. Redfish bite's been really good. Snook bite's been good. So if you're wanting to book a trip, saltyscalescharter.com. That's saltyscalescharter.com. If you mention that you come from YouTube, I'll give you a 10% discount. I appreciate all you guys' support over the years. Appreciate everyone who buys the merch at saltyscales.com. It really allows us to keep on doing what we love. So thank you. I'll tell you what, guys, this Dakota lithium battery. If you guys are looking for a light battery that will supercharge your kayak, don't look no further than the Dakota lithium, guys. They have been powerhouse on my boat and kayak. So these ladyfish like this little deeper water. We're slowly making our way out here. Stay tuned, and I'll turn this camera back on when we hook up. I think I found some ladyfish. See if we can get them to cooperate here. Oh, there was one. Oh, there he is. Yeah, little ladyfish. Get in the boat, get in the boat. Yep, he's in the boat if he stays in the boat. Perfect size. So we gotta keep him down a little bit till he dies. Using this little DOA, this thing's awesome, guys. Get you some if you don't have them already. See if we can get another. There he is. It's another one. Oh, and he got off at the boat. Whole school right here. Whole school right here. All right, I'm on again, guys. They're the little ones too. Come here, you got a bucket?
Yeah.
These things are gonna jump out. Yeah, baby, let's go. Over there, I was like, I'm done with this stuff. I couldn't even jig my lure. There he is. Ooh. Oh, another good trout, dude. Double. Look at the size of this trout. All right, guys. Chris got him one. I got one. Hey, babies need love too. Hands are already wet. For all you guys that are gonna scream, I need to wet my hands. All right, well, the ladyfish moved out. The trout moved right on in. And that's how fishing goes, boys and girls. So we got like an easterly wind, more like a southeasterly wind right now. Oh. Oh. He popping it. Southeasterly wind, really good tide. We got a nice high tide that's gonna be, I think it's a 2.4 or something. It's sick. And it's at noon. Major feed will correlate somewhere around that time. Should be good here in the next hour or so. 2 hours. Oh, there he is. I think it's another trout. Yes, sir. They love them DOAs, boy. If y'all want to catch fish, like trout, an abundance of them, get you a DOA. No, this is a little swimming fish, at least it was.
Good color.
Yeah. It's one of, you know what? Let me put it down south on real quick. Is that what you're using? Chris is already cheating. Using a down south. Y'all don't know about these too. Big fan, big fan. Probably should be going with more of a greenback color. We'll see what happens. Hey, we'll take pinfish too, buddy. Chris got him another.
Dude, what the heck's up with this guy?
Silver trout?
No, it's not. It's a speckled, but look at it. I'll come to you.
Oh.
I don't know if I've ever seen one quite like this.
I just missed a good fish, guys.
Those, like half spots?
Half spots?
Like he looks like he's like a hybrid between a silver and a speckle.
Oh, cool.
You ever seen that?
No, that is unique. He's pretty. So Chris got him one that's kind of half spotted, has spots on half the body and no spots on the other part of the body. So kind of cool. Guess I caught the only 2 ladyfish swimming out here. No, I got a lot more hits on that little green DOA. That must be what the matching the hatch there. This is a larger profile bait this down south too. I was fishing with a little smaller one with the DOA guys. Oh, that goes to show you if you match the hatch, a lot of times you'll have a lot of success. So Match that hatch. Ooh, he hit it right here. I think that was our ladyfish. Well, the good news is at least we did get a couple. That's what we were after. I mean, you got a bait knife?
I got some.
Good. Because I forgot the bait knife. We're a little rusty on this kayak stuff, guys. We have everything dialed in on the boat right now, but we forgot quite a few things this morning, like the cast net. We were going to catch some little pinfish just as a backup plan, but we got chum, we got all the stuff we needed except for the cast net. Yeah, winning. I'm going to bump up a little bit. I mean, we've caught like 10 fish out of this little spot. We'll move us up a little bit. All right, so how I'm rigging this up, got me a little jig. It's a 1/8 ounce. Run it right through this nose. Push it down till it starts to curve, and then bring it right out the top of the slit in the back. Push it up on the hook keeper. And it should look something like that. Now watch this. First cast. I'm gonna call that I get a fish. This first cast. It's all about bait profile. Now this will be proof if I catch one. Oh, missed him. Wow, look at this guy burning the flat on low water. Oh, missed him again. Maybe my theory's wrong here. Got something small. Oh, baby trout. He was little guy. All right, guys, so we had to drift over that shallow bar to get into this deeper water. Had to lift up my trolling motor. Now we're in the good stuff. So hopefully we can find something here. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna pull the kayaks up, drag it over this hill, and go into another body of water. This is what it's all about. Gotta put the work in, find the fish. Let's go, Christopher. We're all the way over here, buddy. Can I do it without breaking my rods is the question. Oh, he got one. Oh, Chris! I just went over a monster redfish. Oh my goodness, what, did you have your bait in here? Oh, Dude, you should have seen the size of that redfish that I just went over. It doesn't have a lot of flow, but that might be because the tide's switching. Oh, we got off again. It's red and he's going to the freaking trees. He's got me on the trees. Watch out. It's a snook, good one. Oh! Bro, what is going on today? That was a good fish. You seen him?
Barely, yeah, I did. After the bottom. I got a good camera on.
Alright, re-rig, because those snook, they do some damage to that leader. I gotta put a new bait on, guys. Man, that's scary. Alright, so I'm gonna hook up this ladyfish just like that, retied my leader. I'm gonna try again, man. That's all you can do. When you fail, you just try again. It's the rules. Out the water is beautiful. It's cool, feels good. He had me all in those trees. All right, guys, so one thing I failed to mention on today's trip, we were definitely scouting for some new spots. And one thing about the kayak is it allows you to slow down, or really allows you to investigate these areas. There's a lot of area, believe it or not, that I have never fished on the South Shore. So getting out here in the kayak and really exploring, checking the depths and the water flow, the water visibility, bait, things like that, really allow us to dial in and hone in on new spots for when we're on the boat and throwing live bait, things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Everything didn't pan out exactly like we wanted to. The redfish and tarpon did not want to participate today, but that's why they call it fishing and not catching. And the artificials sometimes are a little slower to produce, especially when it's a high pressure area and they're used to getting live bait. But anyway, if you like this content, make sure you help a brother out. Pound that like button, comment below, let me know what kind of content you want to see. And until next time, I'll see you on the water.